Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things finance and investing. In today's video, I'm going to outline a strategy and a plan on how you can get from having £10,000 in your portfolio up to £100,000. That's where things really start to take off. The first 100 is very difficult. I did a video on that previously, link in the description for that one. But once you get up to 100, then the sky's the limit and getting to $1 million is not so difficult. So today we're going to work out exactly the numbers on how to get from 10,000 up to 100,000 pounds. Okay, when it comes to growing your portfolio in the way I've just described from 10,000 up to 100 and even beyond, there's really three key components that make this happen or not. The number one component obviously is the return on your investment. What percentage are you getting for your money that's already invested? Now, obviously, if you've got this in a cash ISA somewhere or just in a high yield savings bank account getting 4 or 5%, then that's obviously going to take you a lot longer to hit the 100,000 mark from 10,000 than it would do if you're getting 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe even 10% from being invested in the stock market. So the return that you get is a key component to all of this, and that's ultimately going to determine how long it takes. The next key component is time, and when it comes to investing, particularly in the stock market, you always want to be a long-term investor, but the time is going to play a huge part in achieving your goals. Everyone wants to get rich quick. I get it. There's videos on YouTube on how to get rich quick and all this and that, and everyone loves it. But at the end of the day, a more pragmatic, realistic approach needs to be taken. And the mindset for investing needs to be more long-term. The third component that's really important when it comes to hitting your financial goals and getting from 10K up to 100K is consistency. Like so many other things in life, whether it's exercise or any other habit that you need to have, you need to make it part of your life and you need to consistently do it. And if you do that over months and years, then you're going to hit your goals. It's no different if you're trying to get your portfolio from 10K to 100K. Consistency is going to play a key part. Okay, so to do this in detail, I've got a great savings and investment calculator that I found on the iShares website. You may know of iShares. They're kind of a leader in ETFs, exchange traded funds. I pulled this one that we can use to kind of run the numbers and see how we get from 10K to 100K and how long it will take based on the returns that we've got. Okay, so I've got the savings calculator here. It's an ETF savings plan calculator by BlackRock. I've punched in some numbers already. So I put in £10,000, our initial investment. I've done the numbers to work it out, £380 per month, monthly savings going in. And if you do that for 10 years and you get a 10% return, which is the long run average of the S&P 500, as you can see here, they have the MSCI World, they have the S&P 500 for the last 20 years at 8.87%, and the FTSE 100 at just over 7%. And I've gone with 10 just because it's around the 100-year average of the S&P 500. Now, if you do that, you get your 10%, adding 380 per month, it takes you to 101,000 pounds. So you can actually turn the 10,000 into 100,000 if, and it's a pretty big if, you can get a 10% return. Past returns over the last sort of 5 years or so on the S&P 500 have been around 12 to 14%. So there's no guarantee that you're going to get 10% going forward, but it's a good number, I think, to work off. Of course, if you get less than that, 8.87, the 20-year return, or you get the MSCI return, for example, at around a little over 6%, then of course it's going to take you longer to get up to the 100,000 pound figure. But these are some numbers that you can start to use as a baseline. Maybe £380 a month is too much for you, but maybe it's actually something you can do more. A top tip to do this, you can always do this in your company or your workplace pension plan, where of course the company is required to put in a percentage of your salary into your plan as well. So coming up with £380 per month might be so much easier if you do this in your pension. So you put your £10,000 into your pension as a lump sum payment, and then of course you'll get tax back on that, all depending on your tax circumstances and whatnot. But the tax relief is generally quite generous when it comes to pensions in the UK. So bear that in mind. And of course, then you'll have your company match up to a certain percentage, minimum 3, and that should help you find the £380 a month. Maybe you only need 300, maybe you're going to need 500, but that is a great shortcut and a great hack to find that amount every month, but you need to make sure that you're consistently adding money in per month. And if you do that, then it looks like you could probably hit this in 10 years. 10 years may seem like a long time, but when it comes to investing, it's really not. And if you get yourself up to 100K, then the sky is the limit, because great things will really start happening then due to the power of compounding. Of course, you can do this in a stocks and shares ISA as well, and therefore when you get up to the 100K, you won't have any tax at all when you withdraw the money, if you need to withdraw the money. But of course, I highly recommend that you stay invested for the long term. And by long term, I mean 20, 30, even 40 years, and let that money compound in an ISA, and you can hit ISA millionaire status as well. I did a video on how to become an ISA millionaire. I'll put a link to the description in that one as well. So if you really want to dig deep into the numbers, then you can see that there. A couple of things you don't want to do if you want to try and fast track to get from 10,000 up to 100,000. And the number one thing that I see people get wrong, as someone who's been 20 years helping clients reach their investment goals, is trying to time the market. Everyone thinks they can do it, and nobody can actually time the market. In the short run, nobody has any idea where the stock market is going to go. So don't try and fast track it by trying to sell at the top where you think it is and then come back in. You're going to buy back when the market's down 10 or 20%. You won't be able to do it, and I'll almost guarantee you getting from 10,000 to 100,000 will take a lot longer than what we just saw by having the numbers in here and the consistency of just being invested in doing this month over month. Also, don't panic when the news media throws out the word recession. It's so typical. They love to do it whenever there's any reason to throw it out there and scare you. And of course, the news headlines will always get very scary at the time the market sells off. Remember early April, the Liberation Day tariffs? The news headlines were drastic. It was like the world was coming to an end, and the US whole system, the economic system, was about to collapse. And lo and behold, a month or two later, we're back up to around all-time highs at the time of filming this video now in July. A lot of people would have sold then, and that would be a catastrophic mistake. So just don't do that. Stay invested for the long term. You've probably heard me say this many, many times if you're a routine viewer of this channel. So that's my video on how to turn 10,000 pounds into 100,000 pounds using an investment calculator, getting the numbers in, which I think is a key component to investment success. I'll leave a link in the description to the calculator itself, so you've got that and you can play around with the numbers. But this is not about luck. It's not about timing the market, and it's definitely not about chasing the hot meme stock or anything else like that. It's being consistent, knowing your numbers, picking the right investments, taking on the right risk tolerance, and absolutely sticking to the plan and staying your course, and you can get from 10K to 100K in 10 years, and maybe even less if you do it right. I hope you liked the video on how to get from 10,000 pounds up to 100,000 pounds using the step-by-step strategy and investment calculator. If you did, then click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. It helps the video get out to more people. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about getting 10K up to 100K and anything else that's on your mind in regards to your portfolio or investing. I'd love to hear from you guys. And as I mentioned earlier, I did a video on how to get 10K invested into the market right now, how I would do it the smart way. So I'll just put a link to that one right up here. So click on that. I'll see you over there. And as always, I wish you nothing but the best in your savings and investment journey.